Yo, what's good, y'all? So this your boy Chris. We out here in Washington. It's Saturday, February the 13th, the day before Valentine's Day, and it's a shitload of snow. As you can see, we got at least almost a foot out here. So if y'all new to, I know it's been a minute. You see me upload on this channel, so you know, I'm gonna explain all that in this video. But we gotta get this car cleaned, and I'm gonna clean up the driveway a little bit. Yo, we need at least 10 likes on this joint, so give me at least 10 likes on this video, and I got some more bangers for y'all. But let me get this thing started and let's clean this thing off. Have you ever made a snow angel?
No. Okay.
So what? Look, Chance, you're gonna be cold, but it's gonna like. And then you just make a snow angel.
Oh.
Come on, Papa. Oh my God, he's attacking my car. Oh Lord, come on. All right, so this is the block right now. This is in Olympia, Washington. Yo, snow is ridiculous. Look at this. So, this is definitely the first snowstorm I've seen in Washington since I've been here, and it's, like I said, it's what, February 13th, day before Valentine's Day out here, 2021, and that's crazy. Look at him.
Look at an epic day here.
This is an epic day here?
Yeah.
Oh. Let's see what it look like at the park.
Yeah.
Oh. Wipe out. Ooh, this thing, man, this snow is deep. Okay, I'm less struggling.
Me.
I am.
They hold me.
Want me to carry you?
Yeah.
You're getting buried in the snow?
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's not good.
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta take a shortcut back. Oh, over here it's not that deep.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Where are you at?
Maybe I'm lying.
Hi, yeah.
Whoa. So this snowstorm is gonna be like it's gonna be snowing for the next. So it started yesterday. So it's gonna be a 3-day snowstorm. That snowstorm came straight from the East Coast, so it is crazy. I could only imagine what the other side of Washington got. Huh?
You don't do your ball.
How we gonna kick the ball in the snow?
Of course, you gotta do round shifts.
Yeah. Oh man, too funny. We need something nice and warm after this. Alright, y'all, well, I just wanted to give y'all a little glimpse of what to expect if you're planning on moving to Washington. If you're looking to go to Tacoma, Olympia, Seattle, I just want y'all to know it do snow. It don't only rain out here, so it's crazy. It's really crazy. So the January through like January and February has been like the worst months out here in Seattle, Washington, Olympia, Washington, Tacoma, Washington. It's been like straight rain every single day. You can't escape the rain. And then now in February we got the snow. It's just ridiculous. It's just ridiculous out here. Yeah, what you need help with? Want me to hold you?
Yeah.
Got you. But like, if you got kids and stuff, they'll love it. Look at him. He loves it out here. He's out here eating the snow. I guess Tyler woke up late, so I'm sure Tyler will come out here later. And you got the little doggies out here playing. I need to get a thumbnail though, Chance.
Yeah.
Daddy needs a thumbnail. Get y'all to click on the video.
Now you go this way.
No, I go this way.
Right.
Over there is too far. Too far for Daddy. Guess that. Here, wait. Eating the. This boy just keeps eating the snow. You thirsty?
Yeah,
Oh, the roads is bananas. I'm about to go get some Chick-fil-A. Thank God for 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Tomato. But it's crazy out here. So as you can see, Washington or Olympia, they don't do a good job of cleaning off or salting up the roads and in the neighborhoods. They don't do a good job of shoveling and laying down salt. I know yesterday they did a pretty good job on the highway, but on the roads they don't do a really good job of. They're unmanned or undermanned for salt out here, so that's something to keep in mind as well.